Gala day. We are here, Marina Square. Walking around. We just finished eating our lunch in Korean restaurant. No. Thank you. No, thank you. I still have my buns there. But this one only buns. Victoria Bakery. No lah. It's okay. Apple. We're going to what is it? Sesame display. Sesame Street display. We just being a kid for a while. No, I told you I'm full. Thank you. I'm very full. Wow, your favorite cartoons, Elmo. Yeah, I use your phone lah, so that no need to send it to you. Wow, I want to go inside to take a video posted in my YouTube. Wow, huh? Where's Oscar?
Melody's favorite.
Which one?
That one, the blue one, the rubbish
But
bag.
only the hands and no head. Wow! It's an Elmo, your favorite. So we are here in Magic Art World with the Sesame Street cartoons. Yan. Parang bata lang muna. Coming late 26. So, ito, ang cute ng mga display nila, guys. So, mag-ikot tayo. Oh, laki. Later, we'll take photo here. Later. I will take a video first. Here. So, ito si June Uson Oscar. Yan, ang cute ng mga cartoon character, guys. Ng Sesame Street. Dito tayo ikot kay Elmo. Sesame Street Magical Art World. So, here si Elmo. Yan, si Elmo. Then, ito tayo sa kabila. Yan, nakakaduling yung floor nila. Yan, may ano to dito. Wala. Ito parang story. Tapos, ito, sino to? Si Bert. Yeah, this is Bert. Sa kabila. Ayan na, may mga bata naglalaro. Ayan lang. Ito na. Naglalaro yung mga bata. So, ayan, tapos na. Who is this?
Cookie Monster.
Si Cookie Monster.